Alright guys, today we're working on a 2011 Ram, Dakota, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to be doing a hub, a tie rod end, and sway bar links. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of this bad hub. See if you can see this. Probably not, because I'm shaking so much. Alright, just wanted to show you all that. We're just getting her tore down. 7/8 goes on them crusty lug nuts. It's got them crappy lug nuts that expand. And 21 on the brake caliper bracket. I'm going to say a 36 on that hub nut. And get her unplugged and we'll get her out. See ya when I get there. Alright guys, we got her out. Get her cleaned up a little and get the other one in. I had to use a bolt and stick it through where that stud I knocked out right there and push with that bolt right there. So hopefully that helps you out, because it wasn't coming out any other way. Alright, be back when we get some more done. Alright guys, we got the new hub in there. You see the shiny center and clean studs. We're gonna move on. Oh, we still gotta plug it in. We're gonna move on though after we plug it in to that sway bar link. And bust it off right there. We're gonna do that and then jump on over to the other side. So I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. Alright guys, we got the new one in on this side and on the other side. Tops were broke on the old ones, but the new tops take a 5/8, bottom bolts for 18s. One thing I should mention about this hub is to get the bolts out, even with an impact, I had to have a torch, so try to have one of those handy. They come in real handy. And I'll show you the other side. There's the new one in right there, new sway bar link. We're gonna go ahead and do this outer tie rod. See if I can show you how bad this is. I can't. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see that. I'm too shaky, but that's what we're getting on next. See you in a bit. Alright, we got the new tie rod in. It's tight. Top nut there for the stud is 21. And I don't know what the nut is. The adjustment lock nut. I just used the old finger effer right there the old adjustable. So shit, we'll throw the tires on, go grab an oil change for this pig, and be done. Alright, went and got the oil change, changing it right now. Got the new filter in. If you can tell by the color of that oil, it was ready. Takes 520 full synthetic, 5 quarts, 13 millimeter on the drain plug. If you like Super Tech, takes an ST2. Alright, we're gonna cap her off, run her, send it on its way. Hope you enjoyed this one. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.